So this year's theme for the 27th annual Black Tie Harvest for Scholarships is a salute to Reiver Champions, celebrating academics, athletics, and of course, community. And I think it's only fitting that we throw out the first pitch by the trophy case, because after all, Iowa Western features one of the top junior college athletic programs in the nation. These young men and women are winners here in Reiver country, and after they're gone, well, after all, the world is waiting.
Hot shot, might be two, second base one, first base two, double play. History at Chicago's Wrigley Field. John Reivers, a one-hit blanking of the Cincinnati Reds.
When I came to Iowa Western, there was really never any goal of getting to the big leagues. And when I left there, I felt a sense of, self-confidence that I never really had in my life. And that was a big part of becoming who I am today. I feel like I can almost do anything and nothing can stop me.
As a player, learning the value of hard work, dealing with adversity, handling success, handling failures, everything that comes along with it. Treating people right, treating people with respect, that's what Coach Strohmeyer does, and have a ton of respect for him and the program and the culture around Iowa Western and everything they stand for.
From the field of competition to the classroom and academics, Iowa Western just features a ton of success stories. And after graduation, these high achievers continue to achieve.
Iowa Western gave me a stage in more ways than one. Through performances, campus involvement, and teachers who expected the best, I learned how to prepare, collaborate, and lead. I gained discipline through rehearsal and confidence through performance. These experiences fueled my early career successes and still guide me today as CEO of PACE.
It was at Iowa Western Community College that I developed a passion for increasing access to higher education and skills training, especially for individuals like me that without Iowa Western Community College simply would not have been able to afford to go on and get a degree.
Being a Reiver champion means to me standing up for students, past, present, and future, and helping ensure they have the same opportunities I was given.
Think about every student that's ever attended Iowa Western classes and campuses in the spirit of continuous improvement. Clearly, these people that are looking to improve themselves are champions in my eyes.
And the hits just keep on coming. Community. Iowa Western is all about community, family, and of course the Reiver family extends all around the world, starting right here in Council Bluffs.
I still attend classes at Iowa Western from time to time, be it on backyard farming or a Spanish class. I love that we have this college in our community and that it presents so many opportunities for all different levels of education.
Being an alum at Iowa Western is really, really special to me. And I brag about it all the time to everyone that asks me, what college I went to, and Iowa Western's the first thing I say.
Champions know the greatest victories are the ones we share, when our success lifts others and makes our community strong.
What makes me so proud to be a member of the Reiver family is what that institution has done for me and for thousands of other individuals like me, which is break the cycle of generational poverty for me and my family.
So there you go. A salute to Reiver Champions. Just a small sample of what Iowa Western means to the community and alumni from all around the world and from all walks of life.